Welcome back to the Houston Housing Market Analysis, your weekly source for latest and greatest real estate trends. I'm TraceyReNay, and we're diving into week 3 of 2025. From listing spikes to a surprising decrease in closing, we're breaking down exactly what's shaping the Houston real estate market. Let's get into it. All right, so we're diving into week 3 of 2025. So this is January 14th through January 20th of this year. So we stay pretty active for the most part. We had new listings pop up at 18% increase over last year this time. So we had 3,167 properties to enter the market versus last year the same time we only had 2,684 properties. The off-market listings were withdrawn. We had a slight decline of 1.3% decline in off-market properties over last year. Again, that was a 1.3% decline. And then our pending listings, they slowed down slightly here. We dropped by 13%. So 1,701 homes went under contract this week, or rather last week, as opposed to in 2024, we had 1,956. So from this past last week, 1,701 homes versus last year, same exact week, we had 1,956 properties. Okay. So consumer interest remained pretty steady last week as well. We had 0.6% increase in property showings. So we had over 35,000 property showings last week. You heard me right, 35,000 property homes. That means that people are still, well, I can't say people, but buyers, excuse me. Buyers are still exploring their options. So that's a great sign right there. But there is a slight shift though. We had a slight decline in closings for the month of for the year of 2025. We had a slight decrease, first decrease in closings in 2025 just happened on last week. So there was a 5% drop in those closings. However, even though there was a significant, well, I can't say significant, even though there was a drop in the closings, the online engagement increased. So we increased 10 million views according to hard.com. 10 million views, which is a 20% increase. So what that says is even though the closings did slow down, there is still a great deal of buyer interest that's out there in the market. So that's a great thing. But some of the key takeaways that we need to be mindful of course, what we want, everybody wants to know what's in it for me. So for the sellers with the new listings, of course, that means more competition is coming into the market. However, on the flip side of that, we do have the increased engagement that's happening online. So you need to make sure that you're with an agent that's going to make sure, one, that your home is priced strategically in order to get those views. And then you want to make sure also that the agent that is representing you in your sale, make sure that they're exhausting all of the marketing avenues, including online marketing as well. And of course, you're watching me. So quite naturally, I want to earn your business as your realtor to ensure that you're priced properly. For my buyers, with the listings up and the closings significantly down, it could be a great time for you to ensure that you are negotiating a great deal. And of course, again, making sure that you have an agent that is going to make sure that they do their best to negotiate on your behalf to help you find your dream home. For my investors, you want to make sure that you stay abreast of the pendings and the closing trends, because that's going to help you be able to move strategically and cautiously with your plan for investing this year. Well, there we go. Just a little recap. So for my sellers, you want to ensure that your home is priced strategically in order for you to be able to get more eyes on you and to make sure that it's marketed properly as well. Because with that increase in online activity, we want to make sure that the home is priced and that it is properly marketed in all avenues so that we can get your home sold for you. For our buyers, with the slight decrease in showings, the slight increase in properties hitting the market, and then the slight decrease in closings, Now is a great time for you all to ensure that you are negotiating a great deal so that you can get your dream home. And then for my investors, making sure that you are staying abreast of the pendings and the closings so that you can continue to maximize efforts as you plan for your investment strategy throughout the year 2025 here. Well, guys, that's it. Your weekly snapshot of the Houston housing market here. Make sure you stay tuned. Come back to me next week. But in order for you to come back, you've got to like, follow, and subscribe to the channel. I'm TraceyReNay, and I am your weekly source for the latest in real estate trends here in the Houston area. If you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, reach out to me. My contact information will be below. I'd love to earn your business as your trusted real estate advisor here in the city of Houston. And until next week, have an abundantly blessed and powerful week, guys. Bye.